Hello CNG 132. I have a few emails that are coming through, and I've looked, and a lot of students have not yet checked their Cisco account. So let's pretend that I am a student. I already sent myself an invite. I'm logged into my glemos@student.cccs.edu. Here I have I'm in inbox. I'm not in focused. I should be in other. Make sure those tabs are checked. I go ahead and click this Cisco Networking Academy, and I go ahead and confirm my address, and that should pop me up into Cisco, but it's going to log me into my my teacher account. I should eventually see that I am part of the CNG 124 500 course, and that lets me know that I've successfully signed up and activated my Cisco Academy account. Remember, there are also instructions. Make sure you read carefully. Part of this class to ensure your success is reading the directions that are out there in detail. Do not skip the directions. If I put something up there, once again, it's important information that you should read and take the time to read those. Getting started, accessing Netcat is something that you should not skip over, along with the syllabus, packet tracer, online advising, and student support. So make sure you look at those, read through those, and do not skip those topics. So make sure you are active, checking your student email, whatever your first name is, a mixture of your last name and maybe some digits, at student.cccs.edu. And once again, you want to confirm that email and check that I can see if you logged in and accepted that invitation through the instructor portal.